The image that changed everything. NASA's latest revelation from the James Webb Space Telescope has sent waves of shock and wonder across the world, not because of what it shows, but because of what it might mean. A single photograph, a window into the depths of creation, has shaken humanity's fragile understanding of the cosmos. This image, once kept behind closed doors, has now been unveiled. And according to those who've studied it, it could alter the very foundation of how we perceive reality itself. For weeks, quiet rumors had spread through observatories and research centers, whispers of something extraordinary, a discovery so strange and so profound that it could rewrite the very language of modern cosmology. But this isn't just another deep space picture. Not another distant nebula or faraway galaxy. This one feels different. It's not only a scientific milestone, it's a revelation that challenges everything we thought we knew about existence. From lecture halls to online debates, from scientists to dreamers, one question keeps echoing across the world: what did Webb actually see out there? The implications are staggering, perhaps even cosmic in scale. If what this image shows is real, then the universe may be far more complex, alive, and mysterious than we ever imagined. Since its first light, the James Webb Space Telescope has revealed the unseen. It has shown us the birth of stars, the delicate dance of galaxies, and the atmospheres of alien worlds orbiting distant suns. Each photograph has deepened our vision, pushing the boundaries of knowledge. But this new image, the one NASA has just released, stands apart. Those who've examined it describe it as hauntingly beautiful and profoundly unsettling. A cosmic painting that seems to stare back. At first glance, it looks ordinary, just a faint cloud of light, maybe a far-off cluster or a nebula lost in the void. But as astronomers probed deeper into the data, their certainty began to collapse. What Webb captured did not fit any known pattern. It wasn't a galaxy, or gas, or dark matter. It was something else, a structure that shouldn't exist. Something that seems to sit between the categories that define all known forms of matter and energy. And then came the scale. The image revealed an enormous region, a gulf so vast it stretches for billions of light years. Across this cosmic emptiness, thin luminous threads shimmered faintly, arranged in patterns too symmetrical, too deliberate, to be random. It was as if the darkness itself was designed. The void seemed to breathe, not an absence of light, but a presence of something deeper, a structured nothingness that challenged our entire map of the universe. For generations, astronomers have described the cosmos through three main forces: ordinary matter, and dark energy. A delicate balance that explains why galaxies form and how the universe expands. But Webb's new image suggests there may be another layer, a hidden pattern woven beneath that grand design. The structures seen in this image don't behave like known dark matter fields. They appear diffused, unpredictable, as though shaped by laws of physics we haven't yet written. Some scientists propose that these glowing threads are ancient energy fields, relics left over from the moment creation began. Others believe they could be evidence of a deeper process, showing that the universe isn't expanding evenly, it's pulsing, breathing, evolving. If true, it would mean that space itself is alive, stretching and contracting like a heartbeat spread across billions of light years. In some regions, reality expands gently. In others, it tears outward, rewriting the fabric of existence. These silent voids could be places where spacetime itself is fraying, where the laws of physics begin to flicker, and the universe reveals its raw, unfinished edges. Other experts have a different view. They see traces of something ancient, cosmic scars left behind when energy first became matter. They call them creation filaments, one-dimensional threads that might form the skeleton of the universe itself. If that's true, then Webb hasn't just captured light, it's shown us the framework of reality. The invisible architecture that binds galaxies together and gives shape to the cosmic web. But some researchers go even further. They suggest that Webb might have stumbled upon something entirely outside known physics, a form of energy that doesn't interact with light at all. Invisible. Silent. Yet everywhere. This mysterious substance might not even exist within our own dimensions. It could be folded into the universe like an unseen layer, vibrating through spacetime from beyond our perception. If that's true, Webb hasn't just looked into space, it's glimpsed beyond it. The implications are staggering. It could mean that what we once thought of as empty space is actually filled with unseen dimensions, hidden realms pressing against our universe, their energies leaking through in patterns Webb has only just begun to reveal. If so, then this image isn't just of space, it might be a reflection of the multiverse itself. And that changes everything. It also forces us to rethink life. For centuries, we've searched for familiar blue worlds, planets with air, water, and warmth. But what if life exists in forms beyond matter, beings of structure, pattern, or energy, thriving in the spaces between light and void? Webb was built to look backward in time, to see the birth of stars. But it may have uncovered something else entirely, a hidden dimension of the present, a side of reality that's always been there, waiting to be noticed. The void in this image doesn't resemble any known region of space. It's smooth, hollow, and strangely uniform, as though the fabric of reality itself has been carved away. Not absence, but a kind of living darkness, pulsing faintly, almost aware. If that's real, then spacetime isn't stable, it's trembling, alive, sensitive to observation itself. Some physicists whisper of extra dimensions, others of parallel worlds brushing against our own. A few believe Webb may have captured an interdimensional boundary, a place where two universes touch. If that's true, then humanity may be staring directly into the face of the multiverse for the first time. Every new analysis deepens the mystery. Each attempt to explain only reveals how little we understand. And as data continues to arrive, the foundation of modern cosmology begins to shake. The universe is no longer a silent machine. It's dynamic, self-aware, and profoundly strange. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's golden eye on the infinite, reminds us that wonder isn't the end of science. It's the reason science exists. Because the deeper we look into the cosmos, the more we realize we're also looking into ourselves. And as the world stares into this haunting new image, one truth echoes across the silence. The more we discover, the less we truly understand. Perhaps that's the universe's greatest secret, that in our search for answers, we find something even greater: awe.